Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. It's been a while since I filmed. It's been almost a year. We bought our house this time last year. We have just been getting settled in. I kind of took a break from filming, stepped away from the camera and just focused on getting settled in our new house. But I am back. And as you can tell by the title of this video, I am moving to Abu Dhabi, not permanently, just temporarily. I am going there for 2 months, so I'm going with my work. As many of you know, I work here in Jacksonville at the Mayo Clinic. I'm a transplant nurse, and I've been doing that for 5 years now, and I love it. It's an incredible job, an incredible place to work. But you aren't here today to hear about how much I love my job. You're here to see why am I moving to Abu Dhabi. So over the past few weeks, I have been looking at ways to help during this coronavirus pandemic. I have just felt this pull to go and to help where help is needed, because we have been very fortunate and very lucky here in Jacksonville, but some other places have not. So I have been looking at going to either New York, New Jersey, or even California for these crisis nurse positions. I even had a recruiter helping me. However, at the end of the day, I was going to have to quit my job here at Mayo. So that was really hard for me to accept when I was looking into these positions. I went back and forth, talked with Jake about the pros and cons of these opportunities. So I was just having an internal struggle with leaving my job here. So I prayed about it. I prayed day in and day out. I said, God, if you are calling me to go somewhere, I will go. Just give me the answer. Show me where I'm supposed to go. And it was just incredible because my supervisor called me into her office and told me about this opportunity to go to Abu Dhabi. And what it is it's a hospital. I'm going to put the name here. That Mayo Clinic and Abu Dhabi Health Service Company, SEHA, have joined together to create this hospital. They can take care of patients there in the Middle East. It's an incredible hospital. It's brand new. It's only been open for a few months. So with them trying to get everything up and going, with the coronavirus pandemic going on, they need help. So that is what I'm doing. I am going to Abu Dhabi for 2 months. With other people from all 3 campuses, Mayo campuses, that are going as well. So I'm not going by myself. I leave tomorrow. Today's Monday. I leave tomorrow, which is Tuesday, May 5th. So I just have a lot of emotions going on. I'm excited, I'm nervous, but I know it's going to be an incredible opportunity and an adventure, and I'm just really excited to see how the next few weeks go. I am going to try and film as much as I can. I am going to do a packing video later on today, so be on the lookout for that video. That will be going up after this one. So yeah, I'm really excited for this opportunity. If you guys want to follow along with this journey of mine, I would love if you would subscribe, so that way you guys can see my future uploads. I hope you guys follow along, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.